Hi everyone, Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 40 by 50 centimetre canvas, and I put some black paint on it, and I've cut the bottom off this cup, and I'm just going to pour my colours in and see if the cup will move around and do it that way. I have a spatula and I have a comb that I operated on and some plastic knives. So I have got black, white, red, cobalt blue, and this colour that I made myself, which was a bluey green, and I added some turquoise to it, and I have put silicone in, AGX silicone into the red and that, I don't know what colour you call it, sort of aqua colour. So I'm going to start with a little bit of black, I think, just to get the ball rolling, see if this bloke will move around. Hopefully he will. No, don't do that. Really, you don't want to. I think they do. So the colours begin to come out. And my cup is moving. More white in, I think. And some more red. And I've got a few dribbles, but they won't matter. And some more blue. For white. So I might just give that a little torch and see what we're doing. Having a little bit of a cell reaction there, and starting to look really, really pretty, but I want some more of this in there, and a little red maybe, some blue. Towards the end of my colours, but it is looking rather pretty. Some more white out this side. I don't know that you can see this side, but doesn't have a lot. So, we just have to give him a little twirl around. over this last corner. Oh, what do we have? I don't want to tilt that anymore. I rather like the way the colours have come about. Maybe just some on there. How are you feeling? He's alright. This one needs a bit. Okay, so that's the corners. Just getting the paint off underneath. Even where I dribbled it there a bit looks quite cool. So what I'm going to do is some glue on there. I'm just going to rinse my hands off and then I'm going to give it a little torch. I've got some really nice cells that look like they're trying to do their thing. Some air bubbles, I saw them popping. Just giving this a little second before I bring you down to show you so that the cell's beautiful, especially up along here. Wondering if I should stretch that across a bit more, but I really like it, and I got the beautiful cells there. And this dribble that I did has now broken up with lots and lots of little tiny cells, so that was rather cool. Alright, the recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below the video under show more. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put more videos onto YouTube. This is what I've been looking at, and yes, I like it. I've done quite a few lately that have just sort of been for background so I can work on them at a later date. And then I thought, I might just do a painting today. And I'm so pleased I did because it's really pretty. Big burst of red there. And over in this corner here, as I was saying, the cells are really pretty. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.